Hello, welcome back.
Yeah.
And this is a very special video.
Because we reached 500 subscribers.
Yeah! To celebrate, we have brought ourselves to Wild Rivers. We're gonna have some fun.
One of the greatest water parks in California.
Actually, no. People have their different opinions about the greatest.
Oh, wait, hold on. Let me look at myself in the mirror. Hold on, follow me. Hold on, let me look at myself in the mirror. Okay, ew, I look so ugly. Ew.
Seriously, right. Anyway, come on, let's go. Wait.
I think I have a better idea.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, I learned this from Toy Bonnie. Okay, I mean, I learned this from Bonnie.
You're talking to yourself. Anyway.
1, 2, 3, eh? Okay, we're not that close. All right, let's try this again. Okay, 1, 2, 3, eh? Okay,
we're getting there. One more time.
1, 2, 3, eh?
Alright.
Okay, alright. And we got past security.
Wait, what?
Yep.
So, what should we run?
I want to go in the fun house.
I can't see it.
I don't know, but it's over there.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Alright, okay, so we managed to put a protector on the phone so that it doesn't get wet. And I plan on going to the fun house.
Alright, okay, I'm gonna wet.
Yeah, hold on, let me do it. I got wet already. Hold on, let me do it.
Oh.
Hold on, Lucas, now your turn. Put the button. Alright.
Okay, wet me.
Let's go. Alright.
Oh. Okay, just a second.
Oh my god. Hey.
Alright, let's go. Alright. Oh my god, I've never been in the water before. Ready? Let's go. Oh, thanks. Thank you. Thank you. Whoa. This might be the most fun video we've ever made. Oh god. Oh, life really is a dream. Oh, God.
All right. Okay. So I'm gonna record this next round in my POV. What? activity. Oh God, okay. Go to sleep, Knuckle! Hey, Knuckle! I'm right here, man! Knuckle! Alright, let's go in the water. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go! Oh my God! Hey, Knuckles! Right here. I'm recording the second round in my POV.
Boy. Oh, sick. Oh.
Hey, there's a lot of people. You don't have to we don't want to take
This way. Knuckles! Hold on, Knuckles! Oh, relax. I'm not dead, okay? Chill out. Oh my God. Hey, alright. Let's try this again. Knuckles. Knuckles. Go. Knuckles. Knuckles. Oh, sorry. Knuckles. This way. Sorry. Alright guys, well, let me check out this cool trick, alright? Why do I keep dying? Oh my God. How is this easy to drown? Hi. Hi over there. Let me just slide down here. Wait, how did I end up here? Oh no, it's the bucket. You gotta be ready for this, y'all. Alright, let's go in there quick. We gotta face our fear. In the red one we go. What about this one? Come on, land on me. Oh, wait! Get me! Get me! Huh? Wow, that looks cool. I think I'm gonna go there next. Alright, wait a minute. Alright, now let's go follow me. Here, this way. Alright, hold on, you go there.
Yeah!
Let's go again. Let's go that one.
Oh!
Bye-bye.
Yeah.
Alright guys, I'm going to Waterpark. Here we go. Let's go. Ah! Whoa! Ah! 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 Oh God! Ah! Ah! Alright, that was fun. Where we go again? Oh. Alright.
You gotta go, you gotta go as well. You go, man.
Ready? Let's go! Alright, I'm going in the slide, but hold on, let me wait. Alright. Don't worry, bro. Alright, high five. Alright. Okay. Woo. Ready? Let's go! Ah!
Oh my God, bro.
Oh, hell no.
Come on! Let's go! Come on! Let's go! Woo! Yeah! Yeah! Alright, come on! Oh, I'm not dead! Come on! Okay guys, so I'm gonna ride this water slide soon enough. Okay, be right back. Alright guys, it's my turn. Hey. Alright. Alright. Let's go! Here we go again! Whoa! Whoa! Oh God! Whoa! Oh God!
Oh my God, bro.
Oh, hell.
this thing sucks. Hey, Knuckle! Hey! Hey! There you are. I've been looking for you. I went in a water slide. Twice. Alright, hold on. Hold on, follow me. Follow me. Wait, Knuckles, follow me. I know where to go. Follow me.
We have a height limit, and you're above our height limit, so I don't think you can come down the ride.
Oh, okay. Sorry to bother you. All right. Let's go.
What the fuck?
Really? Again?
Good job!
Okay, here we go. Come get us, gonna drop.
Wait, what the hell are we doing back home? We gotta go back!
Alright guys, we're in the tide pool. Hold on, give me the Yeah, we're at the tide pools and there's gonna be a lot of waves. Yeah, give me the Yeah, there's gonna be a lot of waves in here. Yeah, hold on. That was pretty cool, huh? Okay. Cool.
Hiding.
Not going in this pool.
Oh my God, I'm sorry.
Oh God! Another wave is coming. Get ready. Oh God! Tsunami! I'm extra careful. Let's go to one. So, I need to go behind the line. Let me go a bit back. Alright. Where is everyone? I don't know, y'all. Wow, this is pretty cool. I love wild rivers. Too bad Knuckles couldn't get in the tide pool. Man, I love the tide pools. Oh god. Oh, hi there. Hi. Hi there. I still can't believe they let me in Wild River. This is awesome. Oh god.
Right here, fine,
Sorry. Alright, viewers, okay, on the count three, you're gonna hold your breath. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Wait, hold on, wait! One. How do I stop? You know what? I'm getting kind of bored. I'm gonna go. Hold on a sec. Let's go back to Knuckles. Yeah. Oh, it's nice. It's nice. That's me, yeah.
Yeah. So this is it.
Yep, park is closing. I'm so wet.
Yeah, we should go. But first, thank you guys. Sorry. Thank you guys so much for watching. This
And
was
also, thank you guys so much for 500 subscribers. Yeah, this entire video was supposed to be a 500 subscriber special.
Dude, what the hell was I supposed to say that?
Oh.
You
sorry.
watched it in the video. Okay, bye. You ruined the bar for us. Okay, cut the camera.